How to fix Candy Crush Saga not loading? Sometimes all it takes is a clean restart. Swipe up and use your task manager to force close Candy Crush Saga and reopen it. Also, check your internet connection. Candy Crush need a stable internet connection to load event and progress. Switch from Wi-Fi to mobile data or vice versa. Try toggling airplane mode on and off. Also, go to settings, tab app and tap Candy Crush Saga, tap storage and then tap clear cache. This won't delete progress, it just clears temporary junk file that may be causing loading issue. Also, go to Google Play Store and check if there is Candy Crush update and check if there is a Candy Crush Saga update available. Sometimes new update fix crashes or stock loading screens. If this thing not working, uninstalling Candy Crush and reinstalling it can fix the bugs. But make sure you are connected to King's account, Facebook account first, or you will lose your progress. And that's it. Your Candy Crush Saga should now be loading like normal. Got question? Drop them in the comment. Hit like if this helped you and subscribe for more sweet mobile tips. See you in the next one.